So you got the degree, but you're still broke.
I am disappointed!
Let me tell you why that piece of paper doesn't guarantee you a future anymore. You see, back in the year 1960 to 1990, having a college degree was rare. If you had one, companies would fight to hire you because it meant you were elite. But today, everybody has one. Degrees are now oversaturated. And the cost, if you have a degree and still struggling, it's not your fault. But no, it's your responsibility. Learn high-income skills, start side hustles, leverage your knowledge online. The world is changing, and money now follows skills, not paper. Don't just chase degrees, chase value, build wealth. If you're ready to break free and win for real, you're paying millions of Jamaican dollars or tens of thousands of US dollars for a degree that can't even guarantee you a minimum wage job. They don't teach you how to start a business. They don't teach you how to invest. They don't teach you how to market your skills. They teach you how to become a worker, not a wealth builder. It's a system that was designed during the industrial age, but we're now living in the digital age. Degrees haven't evolved, but the world has.